hogs training session.
Hey, hey!
Does that look good? Here, I got it.
Got out! Got out!
Got a video of some of this.
Got out!
Cut hog, Luke. Blackmouth. Cut hog. Cut hog. Good boy, Luke. Cut hog. There's old Luke right there. He got old Blackmouth. That's old Blackmouth right there if y'all can see him. And then we got old Bella. And we got old Tank. And then we got old Boar Hog in there.
Tie him up somewhere where you can help me pull these motherfucker out.
Alright, y'all, it's gonna be ending this part of the video. Just clip it. Just clip or snippet, whatever you want to call it. Alright, y'all, this is number 2. I forgot the video number 1. We are on number 3 now. We in. There's old Sunfish for Fish, Kenny. We in some thick crap, old son. This how country boys do. They go through the thick and thin to catch hogs out here in Texas.
We're all cut the fuck up.
I'm telling you, I'm madder than HE double hockey sticks right now. That gotta go through this crap. But it's producing hogs. We got our little choke Mr. Bean over here. Here. We're on number 3, but I'm gonna quit videoing and I got a little bit further away from this hog.
Number 3.
We're catching snow hogs out here. But yeah, we're on number 3, y'all. I'll video number 3 when we get it caught.
Yeah, working is hard.
Alright, y'all.
Yeah,
We got 2 hogs. That was it. Cause we had old Kenny out here too, but wasn't enough manpower for all the hogs and the thickness of the wood. We needed more manpower. But we got 2 hogs. That's good. These dogs did good. Well, all of them except for one. But yeah, I'm good. We gonna put them up and
Is your buddy up? Huh? Is your buddy up?
we're gonna put them up and go to bed after this.
He said might want the dog.